Welcome to Time to Breakthrough series, episode 2. Every country in the world has gone through a crisis in the past and will go through a crisis in future. Every individual goes through a crisis somewhere, somehow, some point in time in their lives. Neither countries nor individuals never insulated from the crisis. No one can escape the crisis. This is a hard reality. If we see, America has gone through 9/11 crisis. Australia has gone through biggest bushfire recently. India has gone through 26/11 crisis. As we know from episode 1, every crisis is temporary and lasts for a season. Even then, we are so impatient, cannot wait for a new season to begin. If you are feeling cold and in a winter season, then summer is on its way and you will be warm again. We often miss this simple logic. Many people are taking permanent decisions on temporary situations, which ends up in deadly consequences, which can be avoided. Let's recognize the fact that crises cannot be permanent when our own lives are temporary on planet Earth. US President Donald Trump might be looking for medicines, masks from other countries. However, he knows it's a temporary and it lasts for a season. He knew the fact that COVID-19 cannot dictate him or his country. It's the same case with other countries as well. India already mastered the art of controlling COVID-19. Let me share you a story of one of the greatest and strongest warrior ever existed in history, the great Samson. He known for his muscle power, and with it he handled so many crises, including one from his own love, Delilah. One time when Samson all alone, 1,000 enemies showed up all of a sudden and surrounded him to destroy him with powerful swords. Samson caught up in biggest crisis of lifetime without a sword or a safety gear. It's a do or die situation for him. Despite of that, the way he handled the crisis was remarkable and biggest leadership lesson. Samson suddenly picked the jawbone of an animal, which is the only thing accessible to him that point in time. He killed all the enemies on the spot. Then he threw the weapon and walked away. Probably no one in the world knows a jawbone can be used as a weapon before Samson. The great Samson on history books due to his heroics during these crisis situations. On the lighter note, if Samson is an Indian, he could have patented the weapon and could have sold millions of units. So how do we deal with crisis? Let's try to understand few basic principles covering this area. Principle number 1, every crisis demands brand new unscheduled response. Principle number 2, every crisis demands brand new unconventional solutions. Just imagine if Samson refused to respond, he could have been killed instantly and he could never featured in our history books for us to refer. Secondly, Samson picked a jawbone, an unconventional war weapon, instead of looking for a sword or some war weaponry. This instantly made him victorious as his enemies were confused, not knowing how to deal with it and never trained on it. You are close to breakthrough moment if you understand unscheduled response is required in crisis and you must respond to crisis immediately. Israel is known to be the world's best first responders in terms of crisis in other countries for natural disasters. A complete lockdown across the globe could be a brand new unscheduled response for COVID-19. So what is your response to the personal crisis? Secondly, you need to understand the old traditional or conventional solutions will not work in crisis and you need to come up with brand new jawbone solutions. The new invention of medical cure to COVID-19 could be a jawbone solutions. So what is your jawbone solutions? Please share in comments. Thanks for watching. Let's meet you on next episode.